I'm not happy with this description. I know because it will create some problem for me. All uh, all in one status, saver, downloader, and status is off. All major social media platforms. I want Google to accept my application in first review. I don't want them to give me a warning. Click on save. So this section is completed. Store listing experiments, store listing settings, app category. What is its category? Let's select category: education, event, finance. What is it? It's a social, sports, video, travel, local, weather. I think tools will be the best option, right? Manage tags. Let's save this option. Your change could not be saved. Discard changes. Where I have to go? Inside dashboard, click on publish your app on Google Play. Click this option. Select countries, regions. Create a new release. Review and roll out the release. But first of all, I have to do visit this release option. Click on this release option, and then inside it click on production option, right? Now here you have to create a new release. Let's click on this option, create new release. Play app signing. Google is protecting your app signing key. So click on continue. Next we have to upload our APK file, which we have already generated. Find APK file, drop and write app bundles or APKs here. So click on upload. I have already created that file in my inside it. Here is a status our latest version. In new, this is my app code, and here inside app there is a release option. Inside release option, this is our APK file, right? App release. So I have to choose this option as an APK file and open it. It will be uploaded here in few seconds. I am getting this problem. You uploaded an APK with invalid signature. Error from APK signer. Error jar signature. No signature. No jar signature. I think while generating an APK file, I have made some mistake. Now I will generate APK file again. Let's open Android Studio. You have to note all these mistakes. You don't have to repeat these things. If you think this is not an easy job for you to upload your app, this app on Play Store, just email me. I will do all these steps from downloading an app to making account on Play Store, and also making your AdMob account, making changes to your app code, and then I will upload app on your Play Store account. I will do all these complete steps. Just contact me through my email. I will charge you a little fees. This is a one-time investment and you will earn forever. To create a signed APK, again click on build option, uh, generate signed APK bundle. Select APK file, then click on next. Since we have already created a key, so path to the key is already there. We don't need to create another one. Click here. Next, so please specify password for the key store. Give it a password and then click on next. Key store password, key password. We have to choose a release option. This problem created due to this option. We have not choose this one option, jar signature, right? Full APK signature, jar signature. You have to select this option and click on finish. Now it will take some time. APK file is generated successfully. Now upload it to Play Store again. Click on upload. Here choose this option. This will be updated one. Now hopefully this will not give an error. This is uploaded successfully. We will remove the previous one. Okay, it's fine. You can see everything is ready. Now put here version 1.0. Click on save and review release. Click on review release. Error warning messages. 2 errors for warning. Let's see what are those errors. Your app cannot be published yet. Complete the steps listed on the dashboard. Yes, we will do it. For warning, no countries or region have been selected. We will also do this. Inside dashboard, select app category and provide contact details. Category, it is a tools, contact details, my mobile number, and our website. Click on save. Now this option is done also. Release your app, view task, create new release, select testers. Click here in this section, publish your app on Google Play Store. Select countries and regions. Add countries and regions. I will select all countries, right? Our app will work in all countries. There is no limitation. So it is also added. Next, what we have to do, go to dashboard again. Review and rollout. Let's see this option. Edit. Review release. Let's see if still there is an error. There is no error. Now we can publish our app because it is ready. Start rollout to production. Now this release will be available to all users on Google Play in your chosen country. When I click this button, my app will be published on Play Store. Now This is in review, right? View release details. It is in review. It will take 1 or 2 weeks for Google to approve it, and after it is approved, then I will show you guys my app on Play Store. Now here click on this option, all apps, and from here you can see this is my old app, thumbnail designer, and this is my new app, all-in-one status saver downloader. It is in review. It will take some time, and once it approved, then people will be downloading it on from Play Store. So in this way you can launch your own app. I am not an app developer, you guys are not an app developer, but still you can launch successful and professional apps on Play Store. More apps you launch on Play Store, more money you will make, right? My mission is to launch at least 100 apps on Play Store. I will upload from time to time, and I will also record videos, and will upload those videos in the course you are currently watching. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Stay with me. Hopefully you will learn a lot of things, and hopefully this will make you a millionaire one day. Thank you so much for watching.